Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss tips of learning how to speak in English. If you want to learn to speak English, there are many tips that can be done before I explain about the tips on how to speak in English. I will tell you that in English there are some options. Example of American, British, Aussie, and another accent. If in Indonesian, accent is different pronunciation. The most commonly used is the American accent because the pronunciation is not so difficult. However, between the American accent and others, there are several words of the same and also different pronunciation. If you ask why I know the accent first, then the answer is so that when you learn to speak English, you can distinguish the pronunciation. Actually, there are many ways you can learn English. Here are the tips. Basic tips for learning how to speak in English. The first, watching television, movie, or videos on topics that are in demand in English. Learning English by watching television and foreign films is a pleasant means. Watching English films improves listening skills and speaking skills. Watching interview and review will help you become accessible to English conversation. Video does not have to be an interview or formal review. In this way, people who learn English can master understanding by studying common daily phrases that are very useful for communication. Second, listen to English songs. Using music as a medium for learning English can be a fun activity. Music is a good source for learning straightforward English. Listen to popular songs because it is played more when in the car, radio, or mall so that it becomes accessible. 3. Take an English course. Taking English course is a good way to learn the basics of English. Learning basic knowledge can be a foundation for English understanding and practice. 4. Record new vocabulary. Get used to carrying a notebook or using a recording device on the phone. Every time you hear or read new words or expressions, write the sentence and note the meaning. Repeat reading the vocabulary after 24 hours, 1 week, and 1 month. Try to use vocabulary into sentence. That way, you know how the word is used in real life. You can also use images to complete sentence. 5. Read books in English. Reading in the form of articles, stories, and conversation can help to know and understand the meaning of English words. Reading also gives repetition of words so that it helps to remember. Through the reading process, people who learn English can increase accuracy and smooth speaking. Accuracy is defined as the correct use of vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. 6. Try 5. Read books in English. Reading in the form of articles, stories, and conversation can help to know and understand the meaning of English words. Reading also gives repetition of words so that it helps to remember. Through the reading process, people who learn English can increase accuracy and smooth speaking. Accuracy is defined as the correct use of vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. 6. Try to write in English. If you have previously English pronunciation through watching movies and hearing music that have multiple vocabulary, then the next step is to write using English sentence. Write a sample sentence and easy to use English. This method will also make it easier for you to be more familiar using English. 7. English practice. In addition to practicing English by writing, you can try it by speaking in English. If you are still asthmatic and insecure using English, you can still practice using English. For example, practicing speaking in front of the mirror. At least this way will help you learn to pronunciation more English. 8. Make challenge with yourself. We can speak English because we understand and memorize vocabulary, or the more words that are memorized, of course, the better to memorize. There are various ways we can do. Tips for memorizing the following vocabulary might help you. First challenge: memorize 5 can be obtained from reading books, articles, or news in English. Can be writing in paper or note or smartphone or the like. Memorize again after 1 week so as not to forget. Second challenge: read an article per day in English. Article can be obtained from forex or magazines. 9. Take advantage of the internet and YouTube. In addition to paid courses, there are other alternatives to learn English by watching videos on YouTube. There are many channels that help everyone understand English. To be more smooth, you can choose a channel that is directly managed by outsiders, such as the English Class 101 channel. In the channel, there will be videos that discuss word per word. Besides that, there are also tutorials to make past tense sentence, present tense, and many more. And focus on speaking grammar. The purpose of this does not mean you have to talk about grammar. However, the main thing that must be considered is your talk skill. Maybe many people often stop when speaking English because they feel bad grammar. That's why and he looks insecure and feels uncomfortable. In fact, you can learn grammar slowly. Speaking English, even though there are wrong grammar in some cases, it's okay. Stay focused on speaking in English and no need to worry about grammar first. This is done so that you feel comfortable when talking. Okay, those are the tips from me on how to speak English. Hopefully it can be useful. Then you can learn and also practice in everyday life. That's enough video from me, more or less sorry. See you in another video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.